Hey ladies and gentlemen, I'm Kurt Wooker Jr. from CryptoTradersPro.com here to go over the February 2019 recap. This month we did a video about the lightning torch that happened across Twitter, people passing the torch, begging Elon Musk to join the Lightning Network Lightning Torch event, which is really just them sending sats around all on really one node run by Tippin.me. We talked about Jack Dorsey, the CEO of Twitter, who was arguing that, hey, Lightning Network is super cool and I don't have anything to do with it. We pointed out that he's an investor in Lightning Labs. Please watch the video. Let us know what you think. We also had a delightful interview with Chingus X from the Trading Room app. Talked about, Fibonacci for hour and a half. Talked about everything that was really exciting about the Trading Room app, which is a price scanner to help you find the trades that you want to enter as you want to enter them. It's a helpful tool, and we had a good time with Chingus X. We also interviewed Pham, which has been picked up by a whole host of other media outlets. Kevin is a former BTC maximalist troll, in his own words. And we talked about everything that he's been through, how he went from being a Wells Fargo banker to being a Bitcoin SV maximalist. And speaking of Bitcoin SV, we also saw Craig Wright this month in the cryptosphere owning the Satoshi-ness, saying he was or is Satoshi, and went into a bunch of the details that have yet to be completely proven. Of course, it upsets everybody that is not interested in Bitcoin SV or Craig Wright as a person, and got a little interesting there. If you've been paying attention to the crypto news, also, Luke Dash Jr. talking about forking BTC down to a 300 kilobyte block size limit. So not only is 1 megabyte not small, in his opinion, it is not small enough. He wants to move to 300 kilobytes to make it more possible for people to sync the BTC blockchain to cell phones and Raspberry Pis. Okay, Luke, so a little more drama in the BTC community in that regard. Guys like John Carvalho and others kind of following that, but we're seeing a little bit of some fracture there. We're also seeing some chit-chat for the very first time from guys like Peter Todd and Tony Vase about inflation of the BTC supply, which is a pretty big departure from what's normal there. That's it for BTC crypto news. Let's talk about the Crypto Traders Pro signals. This month, we were excited to not have a single negative signal. We signaled 4 major coins in the month of February, starting with Omisego, where, let me tell you, I called the absolute bottom. I actually called for $1, entering between $1 and $1.10. It went as low as $1.02. Luckily, we used the scale tool to scale into the position. Omisego has gone up almost to 50 cents. It's about a 50% win. We also saw a couple of big moves on Litecoin, which has outperformed the rest of the market in the month of February. Ethereum has also done quite well. It was one of our better signals of the month. But the big one, the biggest winner, and one that's actually sort of a perennial regular signal for Crypto Traders Pro is BAT, the Basic Attention Token. Basic Attention Token is the token integrated into the Brave ecosystem. We've been a fan of the project since, for almost 2 years now, because it solves a fundamental problem in the real world, and it's just a killer product. It's also performed better than most other coins during the bear market of 2018. And then we knew that BAT ads would be coming out with other news in the first quarter of 2019. So we were telling our community, hey, pay attention to BAT, pay attention to BAT. In fact, the hashtag pay attention began to trend around Twitter. And there was a huge announcement at the end of the month of February about how BAT would be integrating with Tap Network, allowing it to be used as a means of exchange in all kinds of other exciting ways outside of the Brave browser. So it was a very successful month for Crypto Traders Pro signals and for news in the crypto sphere, and our own interviews. We're up to almost 7,000 views on our Pham interview, and things are going quite well. Pay attention in March to what happens in the rest of the crypto sphere. March has typically been a bearish month every year. If you look back in time, March is a brutal month in crypto. But the last year and a half, this whole cycle has been a little bit out of the ordinary. So pay attention. cautiously bearish, but also potential for the bulls. Just be careful out there, and remember, subscribe to everything. Subscribe to our newsletter, subscribe to us on YouTube, Twitter. You can follow us on a couple of Twitter accounts, Instagram, Facebook, where we have the 50,000 member Facebook group, the Crypto Traders private group, and of course you can join and learn everything about what we do at CryptoTradersPro.com. Hope to see you soon, everybody, and if I don't see you soon, perhaps I will see you on the moon. Thank you.